Right, hello everyone. I'm back again playing more Sonic. Right now I just have to go talk to Rouge and whatnot. But I looked when I started up the game and it says 55% done with Shadow's story, which I didn't think about, but I guess it's because I'm doing this out of order, so it seems a bit weird to me. Okay, why do they always just say that? I can just jump in, like why? Why bother holding me out from there?
Hi. It seems like Eggman's machines are looking for you. What did you do this time?
So,
nothing.
Omega
Their target
literally
is probably
waited
Mephiles.
hundreds of years to be in the
up to?
future
Who is
to save
Mephiles?
Shadow,
I'm gonna ask him
and then
directly.
shows back up now, here.
Hey, wait a sec.
I can handle this alone. You keep track of Mephiles.
Like, does Rouge get the idea because she sees the disassembled Omega, or like what kind of time
He finally
paradox
shows
is that?
up again, and then he leaves before even saying hello. Well, it seems his little trip hasn't changed him.
Omega just turns, doesn't say
This is
anything.
Rouge, GUNHQ? Yes. Pull all available data on an item called the Scepter of Darkness for me.
I feel like they should have told you about it when you were supposed to steal it. Oh, am I going to Radical Train?
The doctor's traveling by train. Shoot, I've got to get to the station.
Shoot. I thought he was gonna cuss for a second. Shadow's the type to do that. Alright, just gonna skate sideways on that. I like how for Sonic was the whole thing, but Shadow's just allowed to go in there. They just don't care enough. Shadow, we'll let him through, I guess.
You're never going to catch me.
I've got to switch the doctor's train.
Dang. Okay, and there goes everything.
I'm going to have to destroy the train so it doesn't get away.
Whoa, Shadow, come on now.
I'm sure there's a way to stop the train.
Where is it? Oh, it's over here. I just like that I have to wail on that this whole time. I'm moving. Okay, Shadow, don't yell at me. I'm trying.
This conveyor belt changes direction.
I almost died there if I took that any harder. Okay, well, speaking of,
Let's get moving.
you don't talk about it. That didn't happen.
This conveyor belt
Forward.
changes direction.
I almost took that like immediately again. Shadow didn't want to go forward when I didn't dash, and now he goes too far forward when I do dash. Shadow, I need you to make up your mind.
This conveyor belt changes direction.
I'm like losing lives on what I feel like I should not be losing lives on. Like, what is happening right now? Shadow just refused to move up for a while there.
This scale is fragile. I'd better just walk across it.
Bonk. Oh, is it about the... No, it's not. I got it. This will be super easy. Bonk. I like that it just sits there for like 3 seconds, however long it takes me to hit, and then it's gone. You know, I just remembered something. Shadow doesn't have the mod speed section, but I do chase the train on a motorcycle. Speaking of, I think that's it. Because I remember seeing the motorcycle for this stage.
Train ahead. It looks like that bike still runs. Press the Y
Alright,
button to
time
get
for
on.
another vehicle that's totally not gonna kill me.
The air without any cargo.
Shadow, please. Shadow, please. You know, it's fine. Honestly, as long as I'm alive. Well, there's another vehicle there anyway.
Use the right trigger to fire. I've got to watch how many bullets I have remaining.
Oh, there we go. Now he did it.
That those attacks are gonna keep me away.
Shoot the train, shoot the train, shoot the train. Pew pew. Also, this bike's about to be destroyed, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, well, okay, never mind. Doesn't matter. I instantly won. Huh. No real words for that, to be honest. That was like way too easy.
All right.
Shadow, look at the Shadow. Look at the screen this way. You know, well, actually, I don't know if I should say this. I've been thinking, right? So I'm pretty sure Sonic's taken off his shoes before in like some Sonic media. Have we ever seen Shadow's feet before? Like, has Shadow ever taken off those shoes yet?
Wouldn't the door have been easier?
You know, no, ignore what I just said. Watch the
So,
cutscene.
What do you want now?
Just watch the cutscene.
Who is Mephiles? And why are you trying to capture him?
If you want to know, you should go find him yourself. But here's a hint. It's all linked to the Soliana disaster 10 years ago.
The Solaris Project.
Indeed. When you capture Mephiles, you must bring him to me. Then I'll tell you the truth about Solaris.
Why would you even believe Eggman? You've already taken like deals from him. He does not hold up his end of the bargain ever.
I knew it! I knew you'd return. You had to.
Also, so did I just say, did Sonic save at least at the same time that Shadow was destroying the trees? That's not possible.
Iblis Trigger must die.
Sonic.
Oh, there's a houses up there, I think.
So how was your little walk?
Poor Elise.
Elise! Ah! It's time to end this. Mephiles! Why are you getting in my way?
I'm Shadow.
Shadow the Hedgehog. I get to fight Silver
Don't get
boss
in my
fight.
way.
I don't know if this goes the same way as Sonic's. I'm gonna assume it does. Whoa, wait, where am I? Inverted camera controls?
It's no use.
Okay, nope, he'll just walk up to me. Note to self. Avoid everything until he decides to attack.
How about this?
Alright, I heard it.
Take this. It's no use.
No, 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 no. I can't do the multi-attack on him.
It's no
Nope,
use.
there you go. Goodbye.
This will end.
He's still just as OP as before, but he almost like doesn't do his special attack anymore. Can you grab me up here? I'm thinking the answers now. I think he's glitched.
This. It's no use.
No, 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 I shouldn't move. Shadow doesn't move fast enough after his homing attack because he gets locked into it. No, Shadow, Shadow, please! Shadow gets too locked into his homing attack to be of any use. Oh no. Oh no. I can't. He just catches me. He's so strong. This map is also really bad for this because it's so enclosed. There's like nothing I can do to avoid these. Shadow, please. I am not getting near him. No, Shadow isn't quick enough to get away from him after hitting him with the auto attack. There's like nothing I can do. Uh-oh. That was a bad corner. I didn't like that. Silver, you good over there, buddy? No, Shadow's not fast enough. Shadow's actually way too slow for that. It's like no way to avoid the punishment of getting hit. Okay, there we go. I finally did it. I managed to avoid it. Oh, that was super close. Did he just get stuck again? Wait, so that's the trick. The trick is just... literally, I just have to turn around instantly. My win! I got you this time, Silver. This map is like actually harder than the original, I think. The Sonic fight might actually be easier.
Need to stay focused.
Yeah, we see, right? Bing. There you go. Does that mean I get to witness it? Oh, they're both out of breath.
Chaos control!
Chaos control kick. It's so funny. So good.
You! Don't bother. With the Chaos Emerald's power, I control time and space. You can't break free.
I won't give up. It all depends on me. Can't lose. Not when I'm so close!
He has the same emerald that Sonic usually has.
Chaos.
Chaos Control! Huh?
Look at them making another
Induce
wormhole.
Chaos control.
I won't let anyone get in my way. I'll change the past and save the world!
Mephiles isn't trying to help you create a better future. He's trying to eliminate the past.
What? What are you talking about?
To discover what happened, it seems we must see what took place 10 years ago. Follow me if you want the truth.
Wait, how do you know that leads to 10 years ago, though? Like, what if you just took that and then didn't come back? Oh, pre-rendered cutscene.
An electromagnetic pulse has just been generated, injecting a decompression agent. No, the level's not dropping. A spatial meltdown is inevitable. My lord, it's too late. We've got to take shelter.
Why so loud? Why do you refuse to listen to my voice?
Pretty sure I recognize one of those space actors. Uh-oh.
Is that? Flame. It's Iblis!
And the Black Shadow is the original Mephiles.
That's Mephiles? They're escaping!
We'll have to split up. I'll pursue Mephiles.
Okay, then leave Iblis to me.
Wait. Seal it with this.
The scepter.
Hurry!
Time travel shenanigans still doesn't, like, if you seal it now, it's like the normal thing that's supposed to happen, I guess. But I guess you're only trying to learn the truth,
I
so.
won't let you escape.
Alright. We will stop here though for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.